Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we have an interesting project that is actually a bit newer. And today I'm talking about PLWI. But of course, before I jump into this, please keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who likes to talk about different projects, things that I find cool or interesting. So with that being said, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this newer project. Now, PLWI Project is a blockchain ecosystem centered around content, holders of unique intellectual property. Adept content developers and investors seeking success in potential-filled projects can find their goals within the ecosystem of the PLWI Project. You can actually download the white paper, which I will show you a little bit about in just one moment as well. Ecosystem is sustainable token economy. In the PLWI project ecosystem, IPs and content are utilized together to become incentivizing NFTs and assets for content consumers, collectors, and investors alike. These assets are linked to PLWI tokens and are structured to circulate and provide continuous rewards and ecosystem. Content creators, users, participative community DAO, which is the community government, and asset holders. Which are the same things. Alliance program. The Alliance program operates with the PLWI project as a platform, as a platform to discover and associate with IPs that are compatible with the ecosystem. Content created from IPs and creators are connected to the Alliance program, and all projects can issue NFTs and blockchain assets linked to PLWI tokens. Got derived IPs, content creators, Eco Fund, token holder, PLWI Foundation, investors, Osmoo, game, webtoon, character merchandising, movie music, and the NFT assets. NFT gamification, NFT game benefits, and the assets, arts, item, universe, and metaverse, all having to do with the NFT. Now, on top of the value of the collections, PLWI Project's NFT provide a variety of features and benefits. Holders can receive PLWI tokens and can have special benefits and experiences with the IP-based content. Now, interestingly, so here is the Twitter actually. So again, very new project, so just build themselves up from the ground up. I appreciate less followers than to have a bunch of fake followers, in my opinion. We can see here as well, you can find all of the links that I'm clicking on their website very conveniently on the bottom and or the top. You can see here, if you want to check out the project as well, more on their Medium, just talking about what's going on with it, keeping updates here as well. And this is actually their white paper. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire thing, the entirety of it, but we will get back to this in just a moment. Roadmap. First, so we've got first IP game release, auction swap, PLWI launch, NFT grand open. On the 2.0 DeFi service, expand multi-chain service, additional IP game launches, and alliance to expand IP, and then 3.0 and beyond will come from there. So 1.0, the foundation of the ecosystem will be constructed to ensure stability. PLWI tokens will be distributed for ecosystem circulation, and NFTs will be issued with PLWI NFT exchange. NFT holders can receive special experiences through linked content. PLWI 2.0, a multi-token system, is introduced to reward ecosystem participation. Through Alliance program, IPs and developers join the ecosystem, through which various content and blockchain-based assets are issued. PLWI 3.0, members will be allowed to participate in decision-making through the ecosystem DAO. The ecosystem will incorporate a variety of IPs and their respective created content and issued assets. Assets within the ecosystem will be exposed to a variety of external content in industries, becoming unique and valuable in the metaverse. Now, you've got their partners, BPMG. It's a blockchain company that services wallets with multi-chain asset management with highly scalable, decentralized mini-apps for integrated management of a wide variety of mainnet-based assets. BPMG provides for the deployment and technical support required to operate platform services. Got Playwith as a game developer. Playwith has accumulated capabilities through marketing, publishing, distributing overseas, and investing. Playwith manages marketing and operational support through their networks in South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, North America, States, and South America, Peru. And then partnership proposal, they seek partnerships that will have synergy and will lead to creating greater value in the members of the ecosystem. Now, that is actually the entirety of the PLWI website at the moment. As I mentioned, they are under process, right? It is a brand new project to check out. Now we can go through and just check out a little bit here through their excuse me, white paper. So you see, as we kind of talked about, its content blockchain ecosystem objective is to create synergy among holders of proprietary proprietary IPs, content creators, and development capabilities. So, you know, this is one of those things that I, as a content creator, really appreciate, because there's also so many people in the world who want to be content creators. You know, it's obviously these days, like, the most popular job people want to have is be a YouTuber, have your own show. Everyone always wants their own show and that kind of thing. So with that being said, this is really cool because it brings that capability towards the everyman to actually make some profit doing this kind of thing. So with that being said, they understand that this is such a fast-growing industry. As we read through their website, kind of got an idea of how everything works for them. They want to make NFTs, they want to really expand things, and be a company that can actually help you make some money, bring you great content, all types, as you saw. They want, tunes and just so much content. So with that being said, my friends, keep this kind of a project in mind for sure. If you're interested in it, it's very few that are doing it right now, but that's actually what really drew me to this one, is that I really like to try to push things to you all as well that maybe could bring you some sort of happiness in the way of, creating your own content or something along those lines. So with that being said, my friends, thank you all very much for coming back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today I discussed PLWI, and I will see you in the next episode.